Alright, so it is snowing like extremely bad outside. Hopefully we're still gonna be able to go out for my birthday. That's what I was hoping for anyway, but we'll see. I'm not gonna let this ruin my mood. I got my oil diffuser going. I got my Epsom salt rock going on. I'm feeling pretty peace and tranquil right now, so I'm hoping this doesn't destroy my mood. So yesterday was my birthday, the 16th, and I wound up celebrating with my family, and then afterwards I wound up celebrating with my friends. We all went to go see the movie Black Panther, and then the majority of us wound up staying up until 5 in the morning just chilling and watching New Girl. But today we wanted to celebrate going out, and it's kind of a blizzard outside, so I don't know if that's going to happen. Might have to reschedule because we'd be going down to the city, and who knows how bad the traffic will be with this snow. So yeah, but we will find out. Just gonna take a sip of my coffee. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. Anyway, I'm not gonna let this get me down. I have my oil diffuser going, which is really energizing me right now. I got lemongrass and eucalyptus oil going on, and that's supposed to help you feel more energized and awake through all this wintertime blues right now. Hopefully that helps. I'm also gonna go ahead and just start practicing a little bit of yoga before I start getting ready. And then I'm also gonna go ahead and start filming a birthday makeup tutorial, which you guys will see at some point. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and start doing some yoga, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for today. Alright you guys, so I'm all ready now. This is the outfit I have chosen. It's like just this jumper from Fashion Nova. Then I have this jacket from Express over top. And yeah, we're pretty much about to start heading out now. This is how I did my makeup. You guys are gonna see in an upcoming video anyway, or unless I decide to post this one last. I don't know. We're gonna head out now anyway. See you guys in a bit. So it is the next day from yesterday. As you guys saw, we had a lot of fun last night. What you guys didn't see, my friend John actually wound up coming over. Jake and John and I wound up watching Casablanca. I wound up passing out like halfway through, and Jake passed out like immediately. But I was very happy because that's all I was asking for last night. I just wanted to watch Casablanca as soon as I got home because it's one of my favorite movies ever. But yeah, right now we're just on our way to Cooper's Hawk. We're gonna go and see my aunts and my mom. They wanted to go for some wine tasting for my birthday. Anyway, we will check in with you guys in a little bit. got back from Cooper's Hawk. What are you doing?
Nothing.
Tell everyone how you like to play football with yourself.
I don't.
So we're just about to sit down. I'm gonna do some homework now because I still have school tomorrow, unfortunately. And then we're gonna watch some Jane the Virgin because I'm obsessed and it's so good. Anyway, that concludes this weekend pretty much. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you guys haven't already, and have a great rest of your night or day wherever you guys may be. We will see you guys in my next video. And remember, stay weird, my friends. Bye guys.